This is a vehicle that I've wanted to see for a while. This is an M31 TRV tank recovery vehicle, and it's a very rare survivor. This one's located at the Collins Museum, and it's the precursor to the M32, the TRV M74. It's based off an M3 Lee Grant, which of course by the time of the Allied invasion of Normandy was an obsolete tank, certainly in Western Europe. So it's still a perfectly serviceable vehicle. What do? You've got a lot of Shermans that might need recovering. You take out the hull-mounted 75, throw that away. Take out the turret-mounted 37mm, throw that away. Stick a great big winch inside it, and this lifting crane. Fit a tow hitch on the lower hull front, a door where the 75 was fitted, and there's your instant recovery vehicle. This particular vehicle has been cosmetically restored externally, but still needs internal restoration. It would originally have been powered by a 9-cylinder R975 radial engine, another big tow hitch fitted to the rear, small lifting frames, storage boxes for tools. This one has a deep wading trunk fitted. All manner of gas bottles, tools, spare track links, tow blocks. Very cool, rare vehicle. And key for early tank recovery following the D-Day landings. There would of course have been by that point early M32s based on Shermans, but there was still quite a number of the older M31s in service.